Taxi!
How can you make your home theater viewing experience any better? By making it amazing to see and amazing to hear. Introducing soundbars and sound stands by VIZIO. We created VIZIO soundbars and sound stands to complement your viewing experience in any room in your home. Starting from a simple 2-channel audio upgrade, or a 3-channel soundbar solution with enhanced dialogue clarity, all the way up to a full 5.1 surround sound system with wireless subwoofer and rear satellite speakers for a complete audio immersion deep dive. We equip them with enhanced bass so you can truly feel the action, DTS and Dolby for richer sounds, and Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming of your favorite content. We powered them to produce crystal clear audio with enhanced volumes that reach to near a rock concert level, all the way down to the floor-shaking lows of the biggest thunderous explosions. And of course, we designed each soundbar model to be smart, simple, and easy to set up, with all the hardware and cables you need to go from box to performance in time for the show to start. Soundbars and sound stands by VIZIO. Turn your TV into a home theater experience. VIZIO, America's #1 soundbar company.
Create a home theater experience with the Amazon Basics 2.0 channel Bluetooth soundbar. This 31-inch soundbar is compatible with any 32-inch to 42-inch television and has dual full-range stereo speakers for up to 90 dB of expansive audio and crystal clear sound. The soundbar is equipped with Bluetooth technology for seamless audio streaming when connected to your Bluetooth-enabled phone, tablet, or computer. 3 sound modes allow you to choose between standard mode for TV watching, movie mode to optimize soundtracks, and news mode to hear dialogue more clearly. Upgrade your sound system with the Amazon Basics 2.0 channel Bluetooth soundbar.
Don't be afraid of the night. Just grab onto the light that's in your head. Do you feel yourself getting light, floating away like a balloon to the moon? Turning away from the sun, trying to find someone who knows what you become. Those you just find your way back home.